This video is about how to chunk, or how to make this sound when you play. So just an example of how it sounds while you're playing. It kind of sounds like this, like that. I'm playing a G, and then a B minor, and so you're looking for this sound, kind of clicking sound there, and get that by, here, just a second. You get that by, we'll start by taking our left hand and covering our strings, so we're not making any sound just for now. And you take your right hand and you take your 4 fingers, and while you're strumming, you want to come down with your fingers like you normally would, and then just as you're about to in the chord you're playing, you want to hit the strings with the fleshy part of your thumb, right here, right about there, and that'll make the chunk sound. So I'll play a G again, and like that. And if I want to make the chunk sound, I play the chord like normal, and then on the way down, I hit it with the fleshy part of my thumb again. Like that. Okay.